So we were able to go to the Underwood Family Farms and we went to go check out the tulips. But what we found out when we got there was there's so much more than just tulips. There was animals, there was vegetables, so this is just a great place to go. So check out this video. Here is the entrance and here is a list of all the stuff you can pick and their prices. It's not too crowded, right?
No, it's not bad at all.
This is for looting for some rocks, right? What do you see? The goats? They're on the top. They got an obstacle course for the goats. And they go up here. Climb up here. They walk throughout. Little skyway. And they come down over here. You can grab these red wagons for anything that you're about to pick. You gonna go pet them? Baby goat petting. Look at these goats, buddy! Sophia, is this the greatest day? You wanna take one home?
No sleeping? Okay.
What's these? What are these, guys? We got doves, quail, pheasants. Giant rabbits.
Look at they're sleeping.
Is he super big, James? A little tractor yard. Hey, Sophia. Ready to go? The oranges right there? Or tangerines? Oh, they're mandarins.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Sophia. You can check out the combine harvester. Mine turns into a slide.
Daddy? Oh, okay.
You gonna climb the hay bale pyramid? It's like a little train. Whoa, that's loud. The tractor drawn wagon ride is free. You want to do this or no?
Yeah.
Over here. Ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, go get a container. All right, get one only. And look at all the stuff we can pick. Look at that, so muddy. Is it so muddy there? All right, we gotta go to. All right, we gotta walk farther down because the one farther down probably has more strawberries.
We have to pick only the juicy one.
Only the juicy ones?
Yeah.
All right, that's a plan. That one's not right. It has to be all red. Oh, it's a little muddy. Okay, no, that one's already there. So keep going all the way to the end.
Can I get these three?
Sure, you get those. All right, grab 'em. Sophia, let me see your feet. Are you super muddy?
Yeah. Why are you sending me over here?
Yeah, here are the lemon, 59 cents each. Oh look, navel oranges, not 69 cents a pound. Want to get some oranges or no?
No.
That's not a good one because it's too stuck.
No. It has billions.
Oh, look at these ones right here. No?
Ready?
You see the green beans?
A green?
Yeah, look, they're right there. You see it?
No. Oh, this is a jackpot right here, Dad.
A jackpot of what?
Green beans.
There's so many, right?
Uh-huh. Jackpot.
All right, are you getting it?
Yeah.
All right, pull it up. There it is. You got one. All right, how many you want to get for Mom?
Lots.
Okay, lots.
Okay, another one.
Yeah, but you could probably pull it out. Let's see how big it is. Oh man, that was a jackpot.
Yeah.
Look at all the stuff we got.
Oh,
All right.
we got snappies.
We got snappies. Show what else we got.
What
Look.
are these?
She picked that herself.
Oh, that's a giant bee.
That's a candy beet. We've been checking out the vegetables that we forgot that we came here for the flowers. So here is a guide for picking tulips.
See, look, it says to get it. Look, see like that? That's not too open.
Ooh,
And
you
it'll
gonna
open at home.
get that one?
You can. Look, straight up, Sophie. Don't squish it. No, straight up. Up.
I can't.
Is it coming?
Wait.
Too much.
You don't want to hurt the thing. See? There it goes.
That's how you get them.
Yay.